Welcome to the shop. What you're looking at is a geared engine lathe. This type of lathe is automated, which means the controller is taking care of all the processes to cut. This kind of machine cuts by turning the stock. In this video, the lathe is cutting a piece of round stock to a specific size, as well as adding threads to it. What the instructor just reached for is an oil used as lubricant. The reason for the oil is to reduce heat and to help with the surface finish of the part. A lathe can cut various materials such as metal, wood, and plastics, making it useful for various applications. With this machine, you can cut diameters down, cut holes and threads, and even cut square parts if necessary. When using the lathe, make sure to always wear safety glasses and to be aware of the chuck at all times. If you're facing the lathe, turn around for a quick summary of the video. Are you there? Good. What you saw was a geared engine lathe, which is an automated lathe. It cuts by turning round stock. Using an oil lubricant is a good idea because it reduces the heat and helps the surface finish when it's done. The lathe can cut various materials such as metal, wood, and plastics, and can perform various tasks such as cutting diameters down, cutting holes and threads, and cutting square pieces if necessary. And when using the lathe, make sure to wear safety glasses and to always be aware of the chuck. Thanks for watching.